In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Softr trial. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently so you can start building right away. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Softr.io. On the home page, look for the Get Started Free button. It's typically prominent near the top of the page. Click that to jump into the sign up flow. On the sign up screen, you'll see a few ways to create your account. The fastest option is to continue with Google. Click the Google button and choose the account you want to use. This keeps things simple and saves you from creating another password. If you work at a company that uses single sign-on, you can pick the SSO option instead. That will route you through your organization's usual login, which is great for centralized access and added security. If SSO isn't available for you, no worries, just use the standard email sign-up. For the email sign-up, start by entering your full name so your workspace is labeled correctly. Then type in an email address you check regularly. This is where important account updates will arrive. Next, create a strong password. Aim for a unique passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and consider using a password manager to keep it safe. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts to protect your data. Below the fields, you'll see a checkbox to acknowledge Softr's terms and privacy policy. Give those a quick review if you'd like. Opening them in a new tab makes it easy. Then check the box to confirm you agree. This step is required to create your account. When everything looks good, click Sign Up for Free. Softr will process your details and take you into the platform so you can start exploring and building on the trial. If you chose Google or SSO, you'll be taken through that provider's standard confirmation screen before landing back in Softr. If you signed up with email and password, just make sure there are no typos, and if any field highlights an error, correct it and click the button again. A couple quick tips as you finish up. If the Get Started Free or Sign Up buttons don't appear, try refreshing the page or using a different browser. And if you manage multiple Google accounts, double check you're selecting the right one so your work and personal projects stay organized. That's it. You've successfully signed up for the Softr trial and you're ready to start building.